On the edge of the Atlantic Ocean, where waves crash against cliffs, stood an old lighthouse. Its keeper, a quiet man named Raphael, had spent his life guiding ships through storms. But one stormy night, Raphael discovered that the light he guarded was not just for ships, it was for broken souls too. Raphael grew up in Recife, Brazil. As a boy, he dreamed of becoming a teacher, but poverty forced him into labor at sea. Years later, he moved to Minas, where he became a lighthouse keeper. His job was simple: keep the light burning. But inside, Raphael felt empty. He had sacrificed his dream, and silence became his companion. One winter night, a violent storm struck. Waves rose like mountains, winds howled like beasts. Raphael fought to keep the lighthouse lamp alive. Through the storm, he saw a small boat struggling. He rushed outside, risking his life, and pulled a young traveler to safety. The traveler, named Emily, was from Boston. She was broken too, a failed writer who had lost faith in her words. Two strangers, both carrying silent regrets, now sat together in the lighthouse. Emily asked Raphael, "Why do you keep this light burning, even when no one sees it?" Raphael replied, "Because even if one ship finds its way, the light has done its duty. Dreams are the same. Even if one person believes again, the effort is worth it." Emily's eyes filled with tears. She realized her words, like Raphael's light, might guide someone she didn't even know. That night, Raphael made a promise. He would teach again, even if only one student listened. Emily made a promise too. She would write again, even if only one reader cared. Together, they lit not just the lighthouse, but their own hearts. The storm outside faded, but inside a new dawn began. Weeks passed. Raphael began teaching children from the nearby village, using the lighthouse as a classroom. He taught them about stars, oceans, and courage. Emily wrote stories inspired by the lighthouse, tales of resilience, hope, and second chances. Her words spread online, reaching Brazil, the USA, and beyond. People wrote back, "Your story saved me." Raphael's students said, "Your lessons gave us light." The lighthouse became more than a building. It became a symbol of reborn dreams. 1 year later, the town held a festival to honor Raphael. Children carried lanterns, Emily read her stories aloud, and ships decorated their sails with lights. Raphael stood at the lighthouse balcony, tears in his eyes. He realized the light he kept was never just for ships. It was for hearts lost in storms. Raphael whispered, "Dreams are like lighthouses. They may stand forgotten, but when you light them again, they guide not only you, they guide the world." Emily smiled, "And words are like waves. They may crash, they may fade, but they always return to shore." Together, they proved that second chances are real, for anyone, anywhere.